This is a look at the genuine Mansfield tank model 3386 rebuild kit. It comes with the 33 chrome push button, where this is a dual flush toilet. Of course it uses a button to flush instead of a traditional lever. You can see the small button, large button, legs which are adjustable. You loosen these, loosen the leg, get it to the length you need it. It comes with the two rubber boots right here to protect the top of the flush valve, the nut to secure it to the tank. It comes with the tank to bowl kit. It's got the gasket, the supply line nut and washer, 3 bolts and 3 nuts. This here goes with the dual flush valve. Clips on right there to the replenish or the overflow tube. This is the 2206 fill valve with the gasket and the nut to secure it to the tank. The gasket of course prevents leaks. The replenish tube, the clip to clip onto the overflow on the flush valve. And then if you can see that little purple piece in there, that's the flow restrictor. The float is adjustable along with the height of the valve itself. To adjust that, you pop that clip up, pull this up or down, shorter, taller, pop that clip back down, locks it back in place to where it can't move. So far we've had the tank to bowl kit 630-0107, says it right here. The 33 chrome push button, the 2206 fill valve, and then the 308 dual flush valve. This flush valve is considered a canister valve. That just means you can take it apart. You're going to twist this all the way around. That'll come off. It does that just in case you need to change the seal right here. Say you're having a small leak or something in the tank. Take that off, replace this seal, and then to put it back on, you're going to line up this little notch here with that there. Push that down and twist it back to the other end of it. Just like that. It's got a little stopper on the inside of it so you can't twist it past that. And then you can see the buttons are going to line up with this. Full, half, same on this. Big, small. Comes with the nut and the gasket to prevent leaks in between the tank and the bowl. And once again, this is the genuine Mansfield 3386 tank rebuild kit.